see it because the yard's dark, but there's a fox right there. See, look. Do you see those legs? Look. Epic, yo. Look at that. It's on the move. Oh, it's going in our yard. It's walking up to our door. There's a raccoon, too. There's a raccoon going. More foxes. We're being overrun with animals. I'm not saying if you... I don't know if you can see, but there is a sorry, language, but there is a raccoon. It ran into the other man's yard. There's a fox right there. And there's like a fox in our yard. Guys, I have never seen a fox in real life before. They're gone by now. They come to our yard to steal corn, which I just saw the fox steal a huge whole piece of corn. It was amazing. I sadly didn't catch it on video. Okay, Arlene is coming out. So, see ya, guys. Yeah, I can't believe there was foxes out there. There's raccoons, foxes. That was so cool. Okay. Well, I think that's the end of the video. Sorry that this one was a short one, but I gotta go to bed. So, oh, there's a cat. You want to see a cat? Here's a cat. There should be a little bit of movement. That's a cat or a fox. See that? See that thing a little moving, a little black dot? I'm not sure if you can, but there is a black dot. That was epic.